Eid Miladun-Nabi, congratulations of Eid Miladun-Nabi to the lovers of Mustafa. Eid Miladun-Nabi.
Dawat-e-Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published renowned book of Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat, Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, Madani Treasure of Blessings, consisting of 420 pages, says on page number 319, when the darkness of disbelief, idolatry and barbarism prevailed everywhere in the universe, a light shone in the sacred house of Sayyidatuna Amina radiyallahu ta'ala anha in Makkatul Mukarramah, which brightened the entire universe. The Prophet of Rahmah, the intercessor of Ummah, the owner of Jannah, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, for whom the troubled humanity was anxiously waiting, came as a universal mercy for all the worlds.
Congratulations of Eid Miladun-Nabi, congratulations of Eid Miladun-Nabi to the lovers of Mustafa. Eid Miladun-Nabi.